Smart Ice Maker. Press button, follow instruction. Plug in power when you use it. Add water to water tank. Press on CKGO-i5 button for 1.5 seconds being on standby state. Choose SL or cleaning mode. Hear sound within 2 seconds. Start making ice. Wait 6 to 8 minutes. Ice cube coming out. Press cleaning mode to start auto cleaning. Cannot switch on running. Remote connection. Follow instruction. Enter browser, scan QR code, download micro hand live app. Enter the downloaded app. Click to add device. Click on the button search. Click the device name to pair. Click the connected Wi-Fi on your smartphone. Enter password and configure networking. Connected, click the device to control. After entering, you can switch it on and off. Control the size of ice cubes as you wish. New generation of ice maker support remote control.